So here is our network diagram, and here we have a Windows 2016 server and a Windows 10 here in inside zone. Inside zone's IP subnet is 192.168.2.0/24. 2.10 is will be assigned to the firewall. First, we will set up and install Active Directory on domain server, and then install CA server on the domain and set up the CA server, and then we'll join the Windows 10 to this domain, and finally we will set up the firewall to decrypt packets, and then we will test the connectivity with decryption policy. Okay, log into the Windows server with administrator account, and let's first change the computer name and its IP address first, and then we will start Active Directory installation. So from Server Manager, go to local server, computer name, here give it a name, let's call it DC1, click OK, OK, click close. We will restart later. Let's change the IP address first, and 192.168.2.11 and 192.168.2.10 is the gateway, and click OK, click OK, and then restart the device. Okay, the server is up now, and as you can see here, its name is changed and the IP address is 2.11. So to install Active Directory, go to Dashboard, Add Rule, click Next, click Next, click Next. From here, select Active Directory Domain, Add Features, click Next, click Next, click Next, check Restart the destination server automatically if required, and yes, and then install. It will start the installation process, and we will return back when it's done. Installation succeeded, configuration required. So close it. You can see here a yellow flag notification. Click on it, and then you will see this message. You need to click here, promote the server to domain controller. And from here, add a new forest. Its name is verg.local, and click Next. So from here, you need to add administrator password. It will be the domain administrator password. And then click Next, again Next, and Next, again Next. And after that, click Install. It will start installing the Active Directory and then restart the device. Okay, device is up. Let's connect to the device with domain credentials, verg administrator and its password. Now you can go to local server, and as you can see, it's verg.local domain. Now let's go to dashboard and install CA, Certificate Authority. To do that, click Add Role and Features, click Next, Role-based, Next. From here, The first one is Active Directory Certificate Server. Add features, click Next, again Next, and Next. From here, you can choose each services you need, but I select Web Enrollment only. Add features, Next, 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 and Install. So installation succeeded, configuration required, as you can see here, yellow flag. Close it. Click on yellow flag here. You can see post deployment configuration required. Click on configuration Active Directory Certificate Services. And then next, choose these two services. Next, it's Enterprise CA and Root CA. Create new private key. You can change these if you want. Click Next. And then click Next. All good. 5 years. Next. Log path. Next. And configure. It might take some time. Then after that, we will restart the server and return back again. Okay, server is up and we logged into the server. Next step is creating a subordinate CA. And subordinate CA lives between the root and end entity certificates. And their main purpose is to define and authorize the type of certificates that can be requested from the root CA. So to do that, let's run MMC and file, add remove snap-in and certificate templates. Okay. From here, right click on subordinate and duplicate template. From general, let's give it a name. Palo Alto template, for example. Apply and OK. Now close this page and return back to the server manager, tools, certificate authority. Right click on certificate templates, new certificate template issue, and find Palo Alto templates and click OK. So far, we installed the Active Directory service on the server and the CA server also. And CA server is configured and everything is ready to go to the next step. So in the next lecture, I will show you how can we generate and install certificate on Palo Alto Firewall and then use it in the decryption policy. See you in the next video.